Good morning, student of class 5. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, welcome back to your EVS class student. Today date is 25th November 2021 and I am teaching you chapter number 17. Name of the chapter British Rule and the First War of Independence. So student, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in the previous video. So in the previous video student, we discuss why the kings and Nawab not happy in the at that time in the British rule. Okay, why Nawab and kings are not happy and even farmers are unhappy, and this is also the reason for the revolt of 1857. After that student, we start discussing another cause of the revolt is that the revolt was sparked off by the Indian soldiers which are in the British army. So Indian soldiers are humiliated and there is a lot of difference in the salary also. Okay, and the stations which are given to the Indian soldiers. So this is also one of the reason for the revolt of 1857. Okay, then next immediate cause of the revolt of the 1857 is the Greece cartilage. So now what's happened? Next immediate reason, or you can say cause for the revolt of 1857 was the Greece cartilage. So what's happened in the beginning student, when the soldiers they carry two bags. Okay, in one bag they having the gunpowder and in another bag they have the bullets. Now the new rifle come in the British army. Now what's happened in this, the soldier do not have to carry some bullet, do not have to carry gunpowder. Okay, so uh, this carriage had animal fat and had to be bitten off before being loaded. So अब इन्होंने क्या किया, गन पाउडर और बुलेट्स को संग में ही कर दिया, लेकिन बिफोर लोडिंग द बुलेट द शोल्डर हैव टू ओपन द shoulder had to be bitten off before being loaded the bullets in the rifle. So this often both the Hindus and the Muslims, so they revolted. अब हुआ क्या कि बेटा जो जो मुस्लिम्स हैं, ठीक है, the Muslims are also in the British army and Hindus are also in the British army. So as we know that we worship cow. Okay, and इन मुस्लिम रिलीजन जो पिग होता है, ठीक है, पिग को वो लोग नहीं वो करते, ठीक है, नापाक माना जाता है उनके धर्म में, मुस्लिम धर्म में, ठीक है। तो ऐसा उस समय एक हुआ कि जो फैट यूज हो रही है, दैट इज द फैट ऑफ द एनिमल एंड दिस इज द विच एनिमल, दैट इज द पिग एंड काउ. ओके, सो इट हर्ट बोथ द हिंदूज एंड मुस्लिम. उन्हें लगा कि ऐसा करके जो इंग्लिश, ये ब्रिटिश पीपल जो हैं उनके रिलीजन के संग गलत कर रहे हैं, एंड दिस इज आल्सो वन ऑफ द cause of the revolt of the 1857. Okay, now see student what happens in the revolt of 1857. So who is the leader from of this revolt? That is Bahadur Shah, Mughal emperor Bahadur Shah Jafar. So Mughal emperor Bahadur Shah Jafar. So at that time, the Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah Jafar was declared as the Emperor of India and the leader of the revolt of 1857. And many other famous leaders also take part in this battle, like Nana Sahib, Tantia Tope, Liaquat Ali, Kunwar Singh, Rani Lakshmibai, Begum Hajrat Mahal, so who was the leader of the revolt of 1857? That is the Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah Jafar, and these are the other famous leaders who also take part in the battle of 1857, like Nana Sahib, Tantia Tope, Liaquat Ali, Kunwar Singh, Rani Lakshmibai, Begum Hajrat Mahal. So these are the other leaders who also take part in the struggle for freedom, that is in the battle of 1857, which was the first war of independence. Okay, so now after that student we will discuss what is the result. Now student we will discuss what are the result of this revolt of 1857. Okay, so Rani of Jhansi gave up her life in the battlefield. So in this battle Rani Lakshmibai died. Okay, Rani of Jhansi, she is from Jhansi. Rani of Jhansi gave her life. Okay, Rani of Jhansi gave her life in the battlefield. Second, the leader of the revolt of 1857, that is Bahadur Shah, Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah Jafar, he was prisoned and sent to Rangoon in वर्मा. ठीक है, बहादुर शाह जफर वाज imprisoned, अब इनको जेल में डाल दिया गया. ठीक है, was sent to Rangoon and Rangoon is in Burma. next the most important thing is that student, it ended the it ended the rule of the East India Company. East India Company. So this is very important to understand, students. See, these all European countries come in the east because India is in east. ठीक है, ये सारी यूरोपियन कंट्री फॉर द ट्रेडिंग पर्पस. दिस आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन यू इन द प्रीवियस वीडियो दैट दीज यूरोपियन कंट्रीज दे come in the east. ओके, सो दैट इज द रीजन ये सारे यूरोपियन ईस्ट में आए थे ट्रेड करने. दैट इज द रीजन. इसी तरह ब्रिटेन से भी एक ट्रेडर्स ब्रिटेन से भी आए. दे हैव टेकन द परमिशन ऑफ द क्वीन एलिजाबेथ. ठीक है, जो क्वीन थी कहाँ की, ब्रिटेन की क्वीन थी, इंग्लैंड की. सो ये भी ट्रेड करने आए. ओके, सो दैट इज द रीजन. what was the name of the country? This, by this name this country come into the India for the trade. ठीक है, अब 1857 के रिवॉल्ट के बाद क्या हुआ कि इट एंडेड द रूल ऑफ ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी. नाउ होल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ द आवर कंट्री इंडिया दैट कम्स अंडर ब्रिटिश रूल. ब्रिटिश ने जो इंडिया का जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन था, ठीक है, सो दैट इज नाउ is in the hand of the British. Okay, अब जो भी रूल्स और लॉज जितने भी होंगे that decision, all the things that were taken by the British. Okay, so that is the reason यहाँ पे बोला कि East India Company, it ended the rule of the East India Company because this is a company which come from the Europe, that come from the Britain in India for to trade. Okay, now after this battle this company ended. Reason is that the whole administration of India comes in the hand of the British people. Okay, so this is a very important point to understand. Next is the next fourth point. Now after this what happened, I just already explained you. After the end of the East India Company, the British government took complete and direct control of administration of India. Now administration of India, now एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ इंडिया कम इन द हैंड ऑफ द, पूरा कंट्रोलिंग किसके हैंड में आ गई, ब्रिटिश के. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे पूरी की पूरी कौन सी गवर्नमेंट हो गई, ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट, क्योंकि इंडिया का एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन जो शासन था दैट इज कम इन द हैंड ऑफ द ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट. ओके, नेक्स्ट है द गवर्नर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया वाज मेड द वाइसरॉय. सो वाइसरॉय द पर्सन हु रिप्रेजेंटेड, जो क्या है कि वो जो ब्रिटिश की जो रानी थी, क्वीन ऑफ द ब्रिटिश एलिजाबेथ, उसका एक रिप्रेजेंटेटिव था जिसने जो अब पूरा इंडिया का एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को देखेगा. ठीक है, सो द गवर्नर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया वाज मेड द वाइसरॉय. नेक्स्ट है द इंडियन प्रिंसेस वर परमिटेड टू रूल द टेरिटरीज बट अंडर द ब्रिटिश. सो एट द टाइम ऑफ ब्रिटिश रूल आल्सो दे गिव परमिशन टू द इंडियन किंग्स टू look after the territories, but they have to, but full control is under the hand of the British. They have to pay taxes for that, many things happen. जो तो they have to pay taxes to the British government. Okay, now and another name, student, the revolt of 1857, it was also known as a Sepoy mutiny by the British. Okay, so in India we say it as the first war of independence. ठीक है, इंडिया में हमने इसे क्या बोला, फर्स्ट वार ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस. बट दिस दिस फर्स्ट वॉर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस इज आल्सो नोन एज ए सिपाही म्यूटनी बाय द ब्रिटिश, क्योंकि इसमें क्या किया था, जो इंडियन सोल्जर्स थे ब्रिटिश आर्मी में, so they revolt. Okay, that is the reason this is also known as a Sipahi mutiny by the British, because the people who are at that time in the British army, they revolt against the British. Okay, so the nationalist feelings born during this struggle become deeper and deeper. This winning inspired the Indian to finally succeed in overthrowing the foreign rule in 1947. So after this war of independence, ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि इंडिया ने स्ट्रगल करना बंद कर दिया आफ्टर दिस वार. ओके, इज इट क्लियर? सो स्लोली स्लोली फिर भी इंडिया को 90 ईयर्स लग गए. ठीक है, फिर भी इंडिया को 90 ईयर्स लग गए टू गेटिंग द फ्रीडम फ्रॉम दिस ब्रिटिश रूल. ओके, सो आफ्टर दैट इन द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर्स आई विल टीच यू ये स्ट्रगल कैसे आगे चली. ठीक है, फिर इंडिया की कांग्रेस पार्टी आई, इंडिया के देयर आर मेनी इंडियंस लीडर्स, फिर गांधी जी का भी इंट्रोडक्शन आएगा बेटा. तो हाउ नेक्स्ट चैप्टर्स में अब हम स्टडी करेंगे हाउ द इंडियन नेशनल मूवमेंट्स, क्या क्या इंडियन नेशनल मूवमेंट्स अब हुई फॉर द फ्रीडम ऑफ आवर कंट्री. सो दीज थिंग्स वी विल डिस्कस इन द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर. ओके, मतलब 1857 के जो इंडिपेंडेंस की वार हुई तो यहाँ पे स्ट्रगल कंप्लीटली खत्म नहीं हो गई. यहीं से फिर अपनी कंट्री को फ्रीडम कराने के लिए बहुत से लीडर्स ने यहाँ से स्ट्रगल क्या हो गई, स्टार्ट हो गई. एंड इन 1947 वी गेट द फ्रीडम फ्रॉम द ब्रिटिश रूल. सो फर्दर थिंग्स वी विल डिस्कस इन अदर्स चैप्टर्स. ओके, now let's discuss some of the keyword. Trade in buying and selling of good. For this purpose they have come to India. Okay, cartridge, a casing that contains a bullet. इस casing के अंदर bullets थी और इसी में animal fat use हुआ था. That is the reason Indian soldiers in British army they revolt against the British. ठीक है. And indigo plant, indigo is a plant from which we get a blue color. Okay, and this is used to dye the clothes. Okay, disparity means difference. This word is used, there is a lot of disparity between the salary of the people who are in British army. Indian people who are in British army, they are getting less salary as compared to the soldiers, British soldiers. Okay, so today we have completed the chapter, student, and after completing this chapter we will start with the fill in the blanks. Okay, after completing this chapter we will start with the book exercises of the chapter. Now open page number 104. Question number 8, tick the correct answer. Question number A, tick the correct answer. So first question is, Vasco da Gama, who discovered the direct sea route to India to Africa, was a हम अभी डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. वास्को डी गामा हु डिस्कवर द डायरेक्ट सी रूट टू इंडिया टू अफ्रीका वाज ए ब्रिटिश, वाज ए फ्रेंच, वाज ए पोर्तुगीज और डच. सो द राइट आंसर इज पोर्तुगीज. he belongs to the country that is Portugal. Okay, so the Vasco da Gama who discovered the direct sea route to India to Africa was a Portuguese. Okay, he was the first one in 20 May 1498. He discovers the sea route of India. So after this what's happened, many European countries start coming directly to our country India for the trading. Is it clear? So after the discovery, after the Vasco da Gama discovered the sea route to India, now after this what's happened, many European countries start coming to India for the trading. Okay, thank you student.